Hi, my name is Sean Stewart. I am a coach for credit, mortgage, and real estate. Today's one quick tip is on errors on credit reports. Did you know that statistics show that 7 out of 10 credit reports contain errors? Those errors could cause you to not qualify for financing. They could create a situation where you're a victim of identity theft. The list goes on and on. What do you do? Well, first of all, you want to review your credit report from top to bottom. You want to find and point out those errors, and then you want to dispute those errors. The Fair Credit Reporting Act is clear. Each and every account on your credit report must be 100% accurate, 100% verifiable, and reporting within the allowable time frame. What I found over the years is that people who go in and fix errors, or they work with the company to fix errors, are able to boost their credit scores. They're able to buy a house. They're able to get a car at a low interest rate. So what do? You go in, you review your credit report, you point out those errors, then you dispute them, and then you work towards getting them removed. Take care. Today's one quick tip, Sean Stewart.